So hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to quick design a new application with the forms, workflow, and also some pages. You can also access a system from here, app.eteams.cc. If you don't get any account, please register from here with your email or your mobile phone number. So I already get my account. So I log in. After login, right, you go to the admin dashboard directly. So inside here, you can go to the e-builder. So in the e-builder, right, you are able to quick design a new application. So for today, maybe we are going to design a new customer relationship management. Of course, right, if you want to maintain multi-language, you are able to maintain multi-language here. Other language as well. Change your icons if you want. So maybe I just choose any icons here. Maybe choose this one. Yeah, confirm. So I get a new application. So this is a new application. Click the new application. You are able to create new forms, new workflow, new pages, new report, new action flow, new menu, and the business complaint and permission setting. So first, maybe we can go into create a new forms. The form is just like a database. You have different way to create. First, maybe we can go into create from a blank, and later I share with you how go and quick design with Excel. So maybe the first one is that we're going to create a new customer master data. Of course, right, you can go to maintain what is a table name at backend. So system will be automatically create the table for you. After this one, you're going to save. The save take you go to the designer. So normally for the customer, right, you are going to have different information. But for on the left side, this part is all the predefined component you can use. In the middle is a place you can drag and drop with a component. On the right side is a property you can go into configure. So maybe first of all, right, for all the CRM, right, normally we have a customer number. So actually in here, we do have a number component. With this number component, so we say this is customer code. With this customer code, what you can do is we can define the rules how to generate the customer code. Now maybe per year is different. You say 22501. 4 digits is not enough, right? I can put 6 digits. Prefix, right? I can put some constant is customer. And if you want to have a connector, maybe I use backslash, so you get the customer code as a unified number for each of the customer. Besides this one, right, you can go and have your customer name. So here is like customer, the complaint, maybe that is the complaint, or sometimes, right, the customer is not a real complaint, but is a individual. So I just put customer here. Second one is they do have some description for this customer. Of course, right, the customer get the address. The customer get the contact person. And even the contact person get a mobile phone number. Yeah, so this is the basic information. Of course, right, if you want to put more, like for example, right, we have predefined country. So you can choose that what is country belong to. And after this one is like maybe we want to put some status. For status is a drop down, so we can go here to choose a customer status. The status is that can be a pending, or it can be a new customer, or is a potential, or even can be a official customer, which is already your customer. For each of this one, right, you can also put a color here. For new, maybe you can just put a yellow color. Potential, maybe you can put a orange. For official, you can put a green here. So it'll be easy to distinguish this one by colors. After status, if you want to put some remarks, definitely you can use this one, text arrow. The text arrow, right, you can also make this is a rich text editor, which means it can be going to border or input some pictures here. So you see here we should put some remarks. And then last, if we want to have some attachment, so we do have this attachment can put here. For each of the field, right, you can make it as a mandatory or you just add it. So I just choose this one. Here is that make it required. Customer is required. Customer, the name is required. Contact person is required. For some field, right, you want to automatically change in the future. You can make this non-editable. So that is a quick design forms we already designed here. So let's just preview how it looks like. This will be the form. But you see here, right, this one display is not correct. It's not so beautiful. So we can adjust this one a little bit. We come back to here, click the blank arrow. So you can adjust the title position, either it's top and down. So here is like top and bottom. Or the title is on top, I mean the field is below. So that'll be easy to fill in. So let's preview again. So that'll be much better. So you see here, right? Then we can go back to the CC here. Because we design a customer, actually it's automatically design a table which can host your information. Let's preview from end how it looks like. So you get customer master data. You are able to create new customer. Maybe for here, right? I'm going to say, yeah, Weaver is the first new customer. Yeah, and the contact person is Ken Wei. And also here the country. So I can find like maybe I can find Singapore is a country here. Let me find where is the Singapore. And maybe I put just type. Let's type Singapore. Yeah, Singapore is here. Besides this one is the status. Maybe we just put the official customer. So I save. Yeah, so you see from here, right? You get the customer code is automatically generate the customer name and the status. That is easy too. If you want to see the details, click this one. On the right side, will be auto pop up to see all the information. Even for all the changes, you get form modified logs. So this is a logs, which can in the future audit purpose. But for this one, we do have some other requirement. We have some statics. We have some search features, but it's not here. So actually, we can go back to the forms here, right? The first one is that we have a statics. Maybe the first one is that total customers. So static type is that total. And if you want to say, yeah, I have some icons here, maybe I guess I'm total. Yeah, maybe I use this one. If you want to change the color, if you do not like this color, maybe just change some blue color here. Yeah, the icons change to blue. So let's close this one, right? You see here, right? You'll be auto get a statics because currently there's only one customer. If you get another one, right? Let me just add another one. Maybe it's like for Weaver China. Mike. I use Mike. So maybe that is a status. I put that potential save. So you get two data. So actually for here, I should get two. Besides this one, right, we'll have some search features. We want to enable the search feature. So here you can enable the search feature. In the search feature, right, you can add a field. I can add the customer name and add customer, the contact person, and the status as a search criteria. So you see here, you get a search here, customer name, contact person, and status. Let's preview how it looks like. So for here, right, you get much more user-friendly interface. You can go to search, maybe search for any customer can include China. So there's only one customer here. So yeah, when you filter out, right, this number will be automatically help you going to generate a new statics. You see, from beginning come to now, any of the design, we don't really use any of the code. We just by drag and drop configuration. But I understand for a lot of customer, you do have a lot of the predefined Excel forms. Maybe here, I give an example here. So this is the example. You get a existing of your Excel form to manage your customers. But how are we going to convert this data to the system in a quick way? Let's do it now. Let's go back to here, come to the admin dashboard. So you can create a new forms, create from Excel. So you can drag and drop this one to here. This is the Excel we just designed. So you see, this is the header row. So yeah, this is the header row, and this is the data. Then let's continue to next. So from here, right, you see this one is country. So for this is country, right, we can select a field inside. So we have a lot of things here. So you can choose this one as a country. And here, of course, right, is a title. And for this one, we'll have a sales manager. So either you can go to allocate to the person, or either you can just put that as a free text. Request can be a text arrow because sometimes I don't want to put more information here. I put text arrow here, and I can make it the reach and make the height to be more high. Maybe I just move that, put 8. You can have a higher view of the data. The status is a drop down, so we also need to change this one as a drop down radio button, and we save. The remarks, we also make this one as a text arrow. Attachment, this is attachment. We change this one to attachment. Yeah, let's search. So if you cannot find from here, right, doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's just save this one first, and then we go to. You want to create a database names. This is like customer data new, and then we go to next. Any of your existing data will be import as well. So you see that the data was import and complete. Of course, we change the name, new customer data. So in the front end here, we can add as a new menu. The new menu is, we just create a new forms. So this is a one. So this is a new customer. You see, actually, because for this data, right, they are blank, but they import. But of course, you can just delete this one. So we're going to show 50 records first, and select all. Do not select, but unselect this one. And then I delete this one. I just go to here, batch, delete. Yeah, so you have just a simple data here. So let's go back to edit this one, how it look like. First one, right, maybe I want display the customer name. So from here, you are going to edit what is the display columns here. So you're going to display out the title and make it the front. So you refresh, right, you will see the customer name. With this customer name, you are also, when clicking the customer name, I want to see the details. You get a new action, open page. So this is a 1. So just make it like, maybe I just put that 80% of the screen. So I use percentage. Yeah, so that is way I save. So now this change to blue. You click this one. You will see this is the details about the customer. So that will be much more easier, right, to convert your existing Excel form data to a new database and as application. Of course, for this one, you can also do the statics. I mean, I can do the new one as a total customer. So it's a total, and I can also put the icons. Yeah, confirm, close, because there are 4 customers. You will see 4 customers. So that is one. So for another one, we can also create a new page. The new page comes from data statics. So I have a user-defined page. Maybe I call the dashboard. With this dashboard, you are able to design your data or visualize your data. But you can put more element inside. Maybe first one, I will put some header. So this is a dashboard. If you want some buttons here, right, you can put some buttons, but I can delete this one because I do not need this too. Besides this one, I can also put some like the image on top if you want to display some like image for everybody going to view. But for here, let me just go and drag and drop to statics. How many customer? This is a data we can just drag and drop to design. But of course, right, this data are mockup data. But how are we going to connect with our real database? So connect to the real database is click this one, go to data source, because here, right, is our customer master data. We have this database here, right? And then what is the dimension? So for dimension, we can use our status, right? So we have a status, an indicator we can see is customer. Yeah, because currently we only have 2 customers, right? So this is how it displays like this one. So of course you can also change how to, this is count, this is format, whether it's like 1000 separator, this display unit, where you want to do some filter or set aligns, that'd be easy way. So this is how we're going to visualize your data. But for here, right, you have a lot of visualize chart format here. So you can save. And you go back to the system here, right? Let's refresh. So it'll be easy going to have this kind of dashboard. Let's preview in front end. So this is dashboard. Yeah, you click dashboard. So here's the 2 customer actually inside the system. And the data is auto drill down. So which means you click this one. So this is customer. And this is potential. So actually the Vivo China is a potential customer. It'll be easy to drill down to the real data. Yeah, that's all for the demo for this part. Thank you.